Hey, what's up, guys? My name's Aryaanmeer, and this is my first YouTube video. Um, I'm planning on making this YouTube channel just to like record some mukbangs and workout videos and stuff like that. So yeah, let's just get right into it. I got Chipotle today as my first meal, and honestly, I wasn't going to make my first video today because I just came back from the gym and I didn't really get that much food, but I was like, hey, let's just do it for fun. So I got a normal burrito bowl today, and I got all the stuff that you would put in your burrito bowl on the side, because usually when you do this, they give you way more food. And my birthday was a few days ago, so I also got the free chips and guac as well. So yeah, you guys can see all these sides. I'm so ready to eat. So hungry. I've been busy like the whole day today. And by the way, I'm located in Brooklyn, New York. And if you're from here, you know that the weather right now is pretty trash. It's been raining all day and stuff like that. And it's super hot, like it's super humid outside. So here we go, we're gonna open this up. Okay, here we go. And yeah, I wasn't thinking about eating Chipotle today. I was trying to get like a sushi to eat. Oh man, this looks great. Look at that. So I'm about to add all these sides onto it. But yeah, as I was saying, I was thinking about getting sushi today, doing like a sushi mukbang video, but the place that I wanted to get sushi from was closed, and one of my friends told me just to get some Chipotle, so I'm like, you know what, that's not that bad of an idea. So we just added, so this is a chicken and steak half and half burrito bowl with white rice and brown rice with extra fajita veggies, extra lettuce, light cheese, and everything else is on the side. So yeah, and I already put salsa, corn, and now I'm putting some pinto beans. Just gonna spread this all out everywhere. There we go. And I also got some queso, so that's cool. I'm gonna put a little bit of sour cream, or you know, I'll just put a lot. There we go. That's cool. And then we got some guac. We're just gonna put the whole thing in here. Now this is like a beefy bowl, I'm not even gonna lie. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna close the lid and just shake it up. That's usually what I do when I'm eating these. So let's just close it up. And yeah. So a little bit more about me. I'm 20 years old, just turned 20 this year, like a few days ago. I'm also a college student in CUNY. Right now, the upcoming semester is in like August 26th, I think, and I'm gonna be a junior. And yeah, we just finished our semester like a few days ago, like a few weeks ago. But right now I'm taking a summer class. I'm taking Spanish over the summer just to get it over with. So yeah. Woo! Started spilling. Uh-oh. Wait a second, let me clean that up. Sorry, I just cleaned up the mess that I made. And now we're just gonna open it up. Should be mixed well. Even if it's not, it's still fine. I'm just gonna eat it how it is. And yeah, so right now I'm majoring in human biology, because I'm planning on like studying to become a chiropractor in the future. I just find it pretty interesting, and I was always interested in the science field when I started around like in high school, and I also play volleyball, and I'm in this like this national summer team in New York, and through that team, one of my teammates is actually a chiropractor, and you know, seeing what he does got me pretty interested in that. So that's what I'm planning on doing. What about you guys? I'm interested to know, you know, what you guys are doing and stuff like that. If you guys are college students or not, and you know where you guys are from and stuff. So just leave a message in the comments, and I'll definitely comment to your comment. You know what I mean? My God, this looks great. So much food. This is why I love getting all the stuff on the side, because there's just so much stuff. All right, I'm actually gonna start eating some of this stuff now because I'm just so hungry. There's literally like a whole blob of cheese. Mmm. So good. And then we also have the chips. Probably gonna just try scooping it up. I never usually get the chips whenever I order Chipotle, but it's good. Mmm. Your chips are pretty salty. But it's really good. But yeah, I was thinking about getting either sushi today. I've been looking for, I saw some videos of people eating on YouTube. And I really want to try a Chicago style pizza. Like, they look so good. Like, it looks like so deep dish, and there's like so much cheese in it. I really want to try it, but I can't find a place in New York that has it. So I'm gonna try like searching it up today on Google and see what I can find. Yeah. So I'm planning on making for this channel like probably one video of like eating a lot of food, and then one video, like a few videos of, you know, what I'm like when I work out, the workouts that I do, and just like the stuff that I do in my life, just to do it, just to see how it goes. You know, it's summertime, so I have like a bunch of free time right now, so I'm just like, you know what, let's just do it and see how it goes. But yeah. We're gonna try the chips and queso. Oops. That so good. It's really good. I like how like it's a little spicy, like it tastes like nacho cheese, like that you would get at like the movie theater, but then it has like the spices in it. I just put a bit on here. But yeah, it's really good. Yeah, so good. So let me know what you guys want me to eat next. I'm thinking about doing a sushi mukbang or maybe some Taco Bell or that Chicago style pizza. But honestly, I eat like everything that you would find in anywhere. So yeah, just let me know what you guys want me to try next, and I'll choose from there. You guys could also send me some questions that you want me to answer, like a little Q&A. Since it's my first video, I don't really have that many questions to answer, but you guys just, ask me questions, and the next video could be like a Q&A and a mukbang. So good. I miss eating out. Like lately, I've been trying to like cut so I could like maintain like a pretty shredded physique. But honestly, that's just not the way to go anymore. Like I'd rather be eating and be happy than being shredded and being miserable. You know what I mean? So this is probably like the only time I'm gonna be eating at my house, because usually it's really busy because I have two younger siblings. The one's aged he's 4 years old, and the other one, her name's Ansa. She's 8 years old, turning 9. As I was saying, yeah, it's never really quiet here. This is the only time that it's pretty quiet, I think. I'm gonna check the footage after I'm done. Mm. I like this much left. So good. I don't really eat Chipotle that often, but when I'm looking for something like healthier to eat, I will just get this. But yeah, as I was saying before, this weather that's happening right now is so bad. Like, I like the hot weather, right? Like, I love the summertime. But, like, I just came back from a trip from Puerto Rico for, like, a week. And it was, like, the weather there was just so, like, perfect. And it was so good. And then I come back here. And on the flight back, when I got to New York, it was, like, 60 degrees. It was pouring. It was freezing. And I was just wearing a tank top because I came back from Puerto Rico. I didn't think the weather would be this bad. And I'm like, what the heck? And then from there, that was like 2 weeks ago. Then this week, it gets super hot out of nowhere. But there's a heat wave going on and stuff. And it's super humid. It's raining all week. And I just don't understand what's happening to the weather. It's honestly crazy. Basically almost done. I'm sad that I'm almost done. It's really good. Yeah, I'm done. So, let me know what you guys... Wait. Let me know what you guys want me to eat next. And, I'll definitely search some food up. Right now, for my next videos, it's currently Tuesday right now. Is it Tuesday? Yeah, it's Tuesday right now. So I'm probably gonna do like a workout video. I like to work out. I started working out like seriously. I'm doing like calisthenics, a little bit of weightlifting. I just started, and I also play volleyball every Sunday. Up in Chinatown in Manhattan. So if you guys want me to make videos about that, let me know, and I'll definitely do it. I was planning on doing it anyways, just to record it and have some fun. So yeah. I guess I'll see you guys in the next video. Do you guys have any questions that you want to ask me? I'll answer it in the next video. Just comment down below, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys later.